Topic 15.1, the basics of bar graphs. Right here we have a pretty generic graph about animal heights. I want you to note the scale over on this side here. You'll see that it's counting off by twos. So the space between those, the measurement between those, we call that the interval. And intervals are always equal. So my question to you is, how much taller is an African elephant than a rhinoceros? So what information do we need to solve this problem? Well, we need the height of the African elephant and of the rhinoceros. Now, without even looking at the scale, can you you can tell which one is larger, if you didn't know already, but also you can kind of tell that the African elephant is going to be about twice as big as a rhinoceros, or twice as tall, or rhinoceros is half as tall as the elephant. But to find out exactly, you would just kind of look across, and let's see, that kind of goes about halfway there. So it's between the 10 and 12, so that would be 11 feet for the elephant, and the rhinoceros is, what, about 5 feet. So how much taller is the African elephant? Just take 11 minus 5, and that would get you 6 feet. On the next slide, I'm going to give you a graph, and I want you to come up with a question that can be answered with it. Ooh, another exciting bar graph. Here we have distances biked by Shannon, Mike, and Carlos. Note the scale over there. We're talking about increments of 5. So you're going to write a problem that can be answered using the data on this graph. And maybe we'll take a look at some peers, so make sure they're good. And one more problem for you. Now let's just say a bar on a graph goes about up to here in between two increment lines, and we'll say that this is 325. If the bottom line equals 300, two questions for you. One, I want you to tell me what the top line shows, and then tell me what the interval of the scale is.